Olivia Berry here with Balcones Dermatology and Aesthetics. I am in the Coolsculpting room. I just wanted to show you guys really quick, kind of start to finish, what it's like to get Coolsculpting done here at Balcones Dermatology. So every Coolsculpting appointment begins with an adequate consultation. So when we take you through the consultation, we can address any stubborn areas of fat that you have on your body, any pockets that you would like to diminish with Coolsculpting. So we take you in, we take adequate before and after photos, we have you position on the little octagon there, and I'm actually pregnant right now, so I'm not a good candidate for Coolsculpting. You can't get it done if you're pregnant, but I will show you. We can treat the lower, the middle, and the upper abdomen. We can treat the flanks, we can treat the lower and the upper back, we can treat the bra fat, we can treat the upper arms, we can treat the inner and the outer thigh. We can even treat that little pocket of fat right above your knee right there. And of course, we can treat the chin, the submental area. So after we bring you in, we determine if you're a good candidate or not. We will mark you which areas that we're gonna treat. You can see we have a whole different array of applicators here in different sizes, from the petite to the plus. And we even have these little contours on them so you can see. We want to get a perfect fit to your body, so if the pocket of fat is more curved or if it's more flat, we can position it perfectly. We have it for the submental area as well as the outer thigh. So after we have you all marked up, we're ready to treat. We get you comfortable in our bed here, so you will be reclined for quite a while. So it can take a couple of hours, depending on the treatment. So I just want to make sure you're comfortable. I can make you, nice pillows, kind of get you comfy, put a pillow underneath your knees. I want to make sure, you've got good coverage with the blanket on. And then of course we wheel over a little side table, we can give you some snacks, of course, bring you a bottle of water for you. And we have some noise canceling headphones for you to watch Netflix. So we find that a lot of our patients actually really enjoy this. It's a time for them to just kind of tune out and relax and just kind of, enjoy those couple of hours of just peace. We turn off the overhead lights, you get comfy. We have that light, just that light on in the corner. And then you're able to kind of surf your phone, or I even have patients who take naps. So, we try to make it very enjoyable for you. So you can see we have all the different sizes of the corresponding applicators for those, targeted areas. And then here's the machine. He does all the heavy lifting for us. So our Coolsculpting machine also comes with a button. Now it's red, but it's not necessarily a panic button. This is whatever you need. I'm here for you. I have a pager. It pages me. I come back in, and whatever you need. You want me to tell you the time? I'll tell you the time. I'll tell you a joke. I'll tell you a story. So you won't bother me. So, of course, we cycle through. That fat is vacuumed into the applicator, and it rests against the cooling panels, and that fat is cooled down to a specific temperature to kill the fat cells without damaging the surrounding tissue. So there's no needles, there's no surgery, there's no downtime. You're able to go right back to exercising, you're able to go back to work. So it's a great alternative, for people who are kind of considering liposuction. This may be a good option for you. So I really encourage you to come in for a free consultation for Coolsculpting here at Balcones Dermatology and Aesthetics. Thank you.